Hi guys, Brad from Monero Marine again, and today my voice is a little off, but the show must go on. I'm going to show you this tool that we recently got. It's a Barcol Hardness Tester. So we've never used one, but we had to do a commercial repair on a fiberglass boat, and the inspector required us to do this test. So let's open it up and let's see what's inside. So it comes in this fancy case. We open it up, and here is our tester. That's what it looks like. It has some feet there, and then this is where the pin is. This is what's actually checking the hardness. And then there's the dial. It goes up to 100. You can get a digital form as well. So we got this on Amazon. Actually, the company that owns the boat, they bought it. They brought it here. We still have it. So we use it to test our fiberglass. And then we have these little discs right here, and these are for calibrating. So this one says 64 to 60. So if all we do is just push down, and there it goes. It's about 53. So it's pretty close to the 54 to 60 range. And then there's another one. It says 77 to 80. We'll try that one. Yep, that one says 78. So that's right on. So that means it's well calibrated. So now we can test it on a piece of fiberglass here. So I got an old piece of fiberglass, and I'm getting 41. We just try different spots here. 41 and 46, 48, 50. Oh, it's getting harder. Wow, 54. Okay, so but if we go back to the beginning here, if it was there, that's 48. So yeah, that one's lower. That's 35 for whatever reason. So that's about it. I mean, we just took a bunch of readings, and I just take an average. So that's it. Pretty simple. I didn't know anything about it. I looked online, and it's pretty quick to learn. When we tested the fiberglass hull, we first tested the original layup right next to the damaged area. We got a bunch of readings, and then we did the repair, and we did new readings, and it was very similar. So that's it for this video. Give us a like, and we'll keep on making those videos.